How to file 1099 NEC on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you received a 1099 NEC, which is non-employee compensation for self-employment, freelance, or contract work, you need to report it on TurboTax. For this, you want to log into your TurboTax account and start a new return. Now, you want to click on the search icon and search for 1099 NEC. Now select the Jump to link. Here, you will have to enter your 1099 NEC information such as payer's name and EIN, your non-employee compensation box 1, any federal or state tax withholding if that is applicable. Then click on Continue. Now add business information if that is needed. Since 1099 NEC income is not taxed upfront, you'll need to pay self-employment taxes on your earnings. Now, TurboTax will check for errors and suggest deductions. Select e-file to send your return electronically. Then you can pay any taxes owed or set up a payment plan, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.